how to hide Instagram story from someone. Let's see over here. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. So if you want to hide story from someone, you need to first tap on your profile option at the right bottom corner, and from over here you have to tap on the 3-bar horizontal line of the right upper corner, and after that you have to go through your settings and privacy. And once you do that, you will be opened up with this interface of settings and privacy. So here you have to scroll a little bit and you'll be able to see who can see your content, under which you have to go to hide story and live. So according to the new update, there is not a single option for story. Here the live is also connected, because when you go live somewhere, then it will be available on your story section. That's why it is related. From over here you have to tap on the hide story and live from option, and you have to search for the person with whom you want to hide the story. And after searching, you can simply tap on the person and you'll be able to hide your story and live from this person. So this is how you hide Instagram story from someone. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.